I've come back outside because this is just really spectacular. Oh my god, yes! It was only just getting going. Oh my lord! Jesus. Oh, our lights are flickering. Oh, wow. I would be going out in the yard to show you guys the rest of this. Show you. Oh my god. I'd be going out in the yard to show you the rest of the sky, but there's no way for me to protect my camera from the rain, so I'm just standing under my overhang on my front porch. Jesus Christ. This is Oklahoma in the summer. This is just a really, really mouthy one. It is absolutely beautiful, and I hope it doesn't kill us all. Oh, here she comes. Oh, that rain is beautiful. I love you guys. Whoa. Woo! I'm going back inside. I love you guys. Bye-bye. I hope we don't all die. Oh, God. Later, gators.